Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at Kiwi Swiss as price has just hit our target and what we can expect out of this market. So the reason why we took this trade in the first place was because we looked at the monthly time frame and we looked at this key demand zone down in here. It acted as resistance, key support and key support here, and then the market formed a bullish pin candle suggesting that we have a higher low that forming and that we could see price continue to the upside. Now when we look at targets, we do look at the monthly time frame. We say, where could this price go to? And yes, it could come back up into these key structure highs here, or this key trend line resistance jumping through on the monthly time frame. However, we're going to be trading the lower time frames and we want to be looking for areas on the lower time frames where we could take advantage. And looking at the weekly time frame, when price was in this demand zone, the current weekly lows sit around about the 6,720 area. So we're expecting price to rally into this point. Then when we to the daily time frame, we could see that price had been forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern when the market came in, from the left shoulder, the head, then the right shoulder pattern. So we looked for opportunities here on a one-to-one basis just because price was in this little resistance area, so we wanted to give it space to breathe. So we took a position in here and looked for one-to-one targets. Now price has now broken through and formed the inverse head and shoulders pattern, completed the pattern, giving us an opportunity to look for pullbacks into the neckline support for further long opportunities into that area. So now we've hit targets. Going to the 4-hour time frame, what I would expect to see, if I just delete this these arrows out of the way so it's nice and clean, what I'd expect to see now is price to come back into this demand zone and we look for further long opportunities into this key resistance. So what I mean by that is pull back in, look for any kind of bullish price action, so a higher high, higher close, a double bottom pattern, break and continuation move, pull back into the averages. So if I just bring in the averages on the screen, you can see we've got a really nice uptrend forming here with the 20, 50 and 200 moving average all in line with each other. So still looking for long opportunities on this. The Swiss franc is getting weaker, the Kiwi is getting really strong at the moment, so we want to be piggybacking that New Zealand dollar strength. This has been John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching on TradingView, give us a follow, comment below. How do you see this market playing out? Did you take this trade along with us? And hopefully you stuck with it as well. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.